Oh, what the heck?
Whoa!
PTL?
What is that? Alarm?
Probably.
Wait, that's alarm.
Light.
Nothing.
Oh. The dying light here.
Well, it's obviously had GAL black button at some point.
Ooh, I like that window.
Well, even that's wood up there. The controller's been replaced. Wow. Whole freaking car. Look at this. Look, watch. Wow.
This one's pretty tall. PTO with no light.
It's non-California compliant Centurion too. I've never seen that.
Interesting fire service. Yeah, it's just kind of there. This is 2001 Manhattan app.